What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We are out here right now heading on our way to Buttonwillow Raceway. We're gonna be tearing up the track right now with my buddy Ricky. You guys have seen him on channel before. We got his M3. Go check out his channel, driven by Ricky. Got some awesome M3 content, but we're taking out his M3 right now to Buttonwillow Raceway. Got a Vette, we got a GT4 with us. That thing's clean. But with that being said, guys, we will see you guys out there in about an hour, since we still have a bit of a drive to get there. See you there. All right, you guys, so we are here at the track. We've already got one race down, just kind of wanted to get a warm up. We had to get things going here. The car's all warmed up, operating temperature. It's been already a super fun day. However, it is super hot outside, so starting to sweat a lot. Hopefully the cars run well even in this heat. Right here we got one of our friends' M3s, we got my buddy's M3, and we have the GT4 over there. But you can see here, it's right, literally surrounded by the track. It goes all the way around over there, all the way around and over there. So guys, with that being said, we're up pretty soon here, right? So I'll see you guys out on the track. Car spun out. We can go! We can go! Go! What are we doing? What is going on? What are we doing? Straight, I'm just gonna pop over. Please. Not a point, but I don't care. This is ridiculous. This is dangerous. We gotta go. Oh, my ear itches. Well, we've had our first casualty for the day on the M3. Nothing major, but did blow out the carbon fiber front splitter. However, it didn't take him more than 10 minutes after he lost it to order a new one, did it?
Dude, look how bad it looks. Of course I had to order a new one.
Of course we did. I mean, it looks so naked without like that. Like, I didn't really show a picture of it before, but it looks so aggressive and so mean. And you can see how aggressive this lip was. And then now, we really messed up. Like, it is cracked. We blew out all this here. Underneath is just shredded.
But I got a lock-in deal on my new one, so I got a great deal, and we got mine.
So I mean, I guess that's a plus. That's all we've had is one casualty for the day. A lot of time when I race, you usually have a couple more blown tires, stuff like that. But I don't know, carbon fiber lip, not a bad way. Truth is, if you're not having casualties while out on the track, you're not going hard enough.
Amen.
But with that being said, guys, let's go check out some of these cars out here. But we're going out for another couple more laps in the GT4, so I'll see you guys there. What is up, you guys? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was an epic day at the track. Saw some crazy cars. Now we're out here doing a photo shoot with the Boxster. Just kind of an evening. It's a beautiful evening up here. So we're just kind of doing a little evening photo shoot. With that being said, I'll also post some of these videos. But I hope you guys like photos. I hope you guys like today's video. It was a blast. We'll definitely be doing that again, as well as with moving out to Florida. I'll be very close to Sebring, meaning we'll be going to Sebring a lot. But that being said, guys, I hope you guys once again enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, especially to see a lot more awesome content. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.